Hey guys, just wanted to show you real quick what I've been printing lately. Just some more battery holders like I have in the past quite a bit. So these are DeWalt battery holders, and then this is for Milwaukee M12s. And then, well, I've got them over here. Just some, these are my DeWalts. These are for the rigid batteries. Anyway, I don't know how much you guys care about power tools, but, and then I've been making some cases for these Arduinos. These are for Arduino Pro Micros, which they can be programmed to act as human interface devices, HID devices, and you can do a lot of stuff with it. So basically, you can teach it, you can tell it to program it to be either a keyboard or mouse, and use any number of commands that a human would be able to put into a computer. So it's kind of cool. And then this is just another Arduino device. It's a Node MCU. Yeah, so I've been doing a lot of stuff. And I've also been working on a couple of drone things. I'm going to print some propellers here in the next couple of days. So anyway, just wanted to keep you updated. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.